That's definitely interesting. Never seen it done like that before. I think that's for the furnace. Okay. We're in some crawl space here. Any light? That's nice. So we got a zone system. Got a zone system. Normal flashing. Looks like you got a call on W. But we have nothing working. What a mess. Alright, give me a second. No light down here. No light. Hello. Hello. Well, I got evidence of mice. Oh boy. My flashing code. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got a 3 code. I'm pretty sure that would be a pressure switch, I'm guessing. Pressure switch is closed with inducer off. Okay. Let me see. Pressure switch was stuck. Let's see what happens.
pressure switch was stuck closed. I don't know why. This thing's a wreck. Kind of say pump don't work, it just overflows. See if it starts back up. Let me let this thing run, see what it does or it starts back up. Inducer motor's making noise. Inducer motor needs to be replaced. Pressure switch needs to be replaced. Zone panel is not doing what it should. So it's got a 4-minute delay. I must have waited 15 minutes for this thing to turn on. So all the timing's off on the zone control. It works when it wants to. So we're going to replace the zone control with Honeywell. I'm going to go with new dampers. Get this thing set up right. Because it doesn't even have a discharge air temperature sensor, so we need to do that. So we got quite a few issues going on with this furnace. Well, I don't know. There's definitely something going on with that zone system. The inducer motor sounded like crap. Pressure switch, it was stuck closed. I cleared the trap. But that furnace was wicked nasty. And I bumped my head on the way out of the stinking crawl space. That furnace was used and abused by mice. Bad. So, system's about 15 years old. We're thinking And he might want to change that furnace out because he might not want to throw money in it to repair it. It's just kind of a crap install. So I mean, he wants the price to repair it. I gotta. The zone panel's not doing what it should. The timing's way off on it. I sat there and waited and waited and waited for that thing to come on because I had continuity of thermostats on the literature. It said it had a 4-minute delay. Not even close. It was like every bit of 10 minutes. So I mean, the delay's off. It's just not doing what it should. So I talked to him about replacing the zone system, and then we talked about the condition of the furnace and the repairs that got to be done with it. So
at the end of the road,
he starts asking, he's like, well, you know, should we just replace the furnace? You know, I'm thinking, well, that's completely up to you. You know, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel you want to pay for. So that's kind of where we're at with it right now. I mean, you've seen the venting on that. I've never seen the venting terminated like that. That's kind of goofy. But whatever, it works. It's just horrible all the way around. Okay, well, that's it for this one. We're off to the next one, which is a no AC. I don't think I'm going to get any video on it. And I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.